Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be having a chat about the Caravan and Camping Show, which is coming up at the NEC in February. I'm just wondering, are you going to be there? So me and Juliet have been having a chat and formulating our plans for the Caravan and Camping Show for the NEC in Birmingham for 2022.
Yeah, we have. It's been slightly different this year. We're going to be going in the Caravan, which we haven't previously done before. So we're really looking forward to that, meeting up with friends, making new friends, but also seeing what's new and exciting at the show, because it's been a while since they've been on.
Yes, true. For various reasons, mainly COVID, they've not been able to put them on. So this is going to be quite an exciting show, I think. Now, what we did, we teamed up with a friend of ours. She's called Dorothy, isn't she?
She is, and she's very helpful.
Yes, she is. So if you've never been to the show before, have a listen and watch as Dorothy explains what the Caravan and Camping Show's all about.
Thanks, Juliet and Phil. The Caravan and Camping Club was established in 1901. The club is a non-profit organisation. For many years, the Caravan and Camping Club has held an exhibition showcasing products from the leisure industry. The show is held annually at the Birmingham NEC exhibition halls. The 2022 show is no exception. Over 350 leisure companies will be displaying and demonstrating the latest leisure vehicles and accessories. These will include caravans, motorhomes, tents and leisure accessories. The displays will be spread over 5 halls, so there will be plenty to see and do. There will be live talks and presentations from personalities and leading leisure experts. Tickets are limited and are priced at £10 per person per day. To book your tickets, please click the link below. Juliet and Phil look forward to seeing you at the show.
Well, thank you, Dorothy, for that information. I'm sure it's helped the viewers.
Yes, and we are really looking forward to going to the show. And there's going to be other YouTubers there as well. Andrew Ditton and Jules and Karina from Here with Tow. Bob and Jenny will be there doing the motorhome side. Yep.
I don't know where the Posh Cats are going. They tend to specialise nowadays in camper conversions.
Yeah.
I know Ian Gray's going from, he's going from Love of Caravans, and there'll probably be many more that I haven't mentioned. But if you see us and you want to have a chat, I like a tea, and Juliet.
I like a coffee.
Yeah. So if you want to buy us a coffee and have a chat with us, feel free to do so.
Yeah, leave a comment below and we'll be able to arrange something, hopefully.
Yeah. But in the meantime, I'd just like to say thanks for watching this little video, and we hope to see you at the show. Bye for now.
Bye.